In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll to click on Display. Scroll again, click on Font Size and Style. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. As someone who helps people with smartphones every day, I know that font size is very important. So if you enjoyed this video and changed your font size, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!